This is a practice for the Illustrator basic tools. Creates a heart shape with as few anchor points as you can. You can use the pen tool, the selection and direct selection tools, and the anchor point tool. You can now pause the video until you have done the hearts. You can continue the video if you need help with the forms. I'll start doing the heart shape by creating a polygon. A natural amount of anchor points could be 4. Also 6 anchor points could be good. I might pull this off with 3 points. After doing the polygons, I need to round at least some of the corners by dragging the vector handles out from the anchor points. For this, I need the anchor point tool, Shift-C. In the first polygon, I need to round at least these corners. I can adjust the anchor points with the white arrow. In the form with 6 anchor points, I need to round at least 4 of them. And again, I can move the anchor points with the direct selection tool or edit the length of individual handles. This looks quite nice and natural. The triangle doesn't work that well. I need a recurve on the top to make it look a bit like a heart. It doesn't look that natural. In the forms with 4 and 6 anchor points, I have dragged the handles only from the rounded corners. If I want to edit the forms also from the corners, I need to drag the handles out from them. Now the bottom is also rounded. This wasn't my goal. I wanted the bottom parts to be recurved. For this, I will adjust the handle with the anchor point tool and point it upwards. The other anchor points I lost from view. To show it again, I need to select the anchor points. But I cannot select anchor points with the anchor point tool. It would remove both of the handles. I need to change the tool to the direct selection tool. For this, I'll press A. Now I can select the anchor points and see both of the handles. Because I edited the other handle with the anchor point tool, the connection between the handles is lost. Now I can continue editing both of these with the direct selection tool. Now I have the bottom paths recurved. I'll do the same with the 6-point hearts. Now while dragging the handles, I'll do the right side ready straight away. Now I can rotate the other one also to its position. The leftmost form has a point without handles, 2 points with handles sticking to the opposite directions, making them round. And the last point with handles sticking to some other direction than straight opposites, making it a corner. The next heart has similar anchor points. 4 rounded, 1 handleless, and 1 with handles not to the opposite directions. I made the hearts symmetric via eyesight. Later we'll learn how to do actual symmetry. Now I've done hearts with 6, 4 and 3 anchor points. but it is also possible to do the hearts with 2 anchor points. If you hadn't tried that yet, please do. The 2-pointed hearts is also done with a pen tool. I'll click the first point, then the second point. Now the form is not complete. The beginning and the end are not connected. But I can move the pen tool back to the origin point and see the familiar circle symbol. This means that the form is complete. The form looks like it's just a line. With the anchor point tool, I can still drag the handles from the anchor points. This reveals the form I have done. It's a complete form with 2 anchor points. There's a point on the top and on the bottom. There should be a corner on top, so I need to edit the handles with the anchor point tool. I lost the other anchor point from view. I need to change to the direct selection tool to select the anchor point and see the other handle. I was able to create a form with 2 anchor points. The assignment was to do red hearts. So I'll change the colors. Select all the forms with a black arrow, change the fill color to be red, and remove the black stroke.